Welcome back to our channel PartsHnC. Today, we will walk you through a step-by-step guide on replacing the thermocouple in your Bradford White water heater. Before we dive in, here are the tools you'll need: a new thermocouple, an adjustable wrench, a screwdriver, safety gloves, and a multimeter optional for testing. First things first, safety is our priority. Make sure to turn off the gas supply to your water heater by locating the gas valve and turning it to the off position. Next, turn off the water supply by closing the shutoff valve on the cold water pipe that feeds into your heater. Now that we've taken care of safety, let's get to the thermocouple. Remove the access panel at the bottom of the heater to expose the burner assembly. Once the panel is off, you'll see the burner and the thermocouple, a thin copper wire running from the gas control valve to the pilot light. Using your adjustable wrench, carefully unscrew the thermocouple from the gas control valve, being gentle to avoid damaging other components. With the thermocouple disconnected, you can now remove it from the burner assembly by gently pulling it out. It's time to install the new thermocouple. Start by threading it through the same path as the old one, ensuring it reaches the pilot light properly. Reconnect the thermocouple to the gas control valve and hand tighten it. Use your wrench to give it a final snug turn, but be careful not to over-tighten. Once the new thermocouple is in place, replace the access panel and secure it with the screws. Now, turn the gas supply back on by turning the valve to the on position and relight the pilot light following the manufacturer's instructions. Finally, turn the water supply back on and check for any leaks. If everything looks good, your water heater should be back up and running with hot water soon. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the thermocouple in your Bradford White water heater.